We have our newsmaker joining us now. I'm going to go straight to Mumbai, where Amrita Fadnavis is joining us. She is a banker, actor, singer, someone who wears multiple hats, also Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis's wife. Amrita Fadnavis, a big day for you and the people of Maharashtra. How do you look at the verdict?
Today, the verdict has been phenomenal. People of Maharashtra have stood by development, have stood by good governance, and you can see the result which has come out with flying colors for BJP and Mahayuti.
So you see this as a victory of the BJP and Mahayuti, and how much of the heavy lifting was done by the BJP in particular, given that in this alliance the strike rate of the BJP is 85%, ma'am?
Yeah, this has never happened in the past, and this is unforeseen. This has been unforeseen. I think so. Every Karyakarta went out to the grassroots. Every Karyakarta worked hard every single day. Devendra ji worked. Every leader of BJP worked. Our Ladli Behnas were always there with us, and they showed their love this way. Our brothers were there for us because they saw a governance which was for development. And all the false narratives which were thrown in by the opposition during Lok Sabha have also been cleared off. So it's a result of this whole joint effort by the party members, by the cadre, by the leaders, which has shown us these kind of phenomenal results.
Since you spoke about Ladki Behan, we have seen a surge in women voters in Maharashtra, and many say that that was because of the announcement of Ladki Behan Yojana. Why do you think women have emerged as the supporter for Mahayuti in this election?
Modi government or state government under Mahayuti has always worked for women in terms of policies and in terms of supporting women. So Ladli Behan was just one of them. We have so many of them. We have Maji Kanya Bhagyashri, Sukanya Samriddhi, Lek Ladki, Vidwa Pension. We have 50% rebate in ST travel. We have Annapurna Yojnas. And there are so many such Yojnas which are pro-women. I think so, starting from triple talaq to these kind of Yojnas, everything was for women by the BJP. So I think so this had to be there. Women had to support BJP.
And women-centric development, do you think that's the key here perhaps? Because of this victory?
The bill for the first time for women in parliament was also passed by Modi ji. So the way they support women, naturally women will always love this party and support this party.
Okay, and overall, when you look at the support which has come in for Mahayuti has not only come in from certain pockets, is pan-Maharashtra. And the mandate is never seen before in Maharashtra's history.
So that's what it is like, bhuto na bhavishya. Ye kabhi na hua hai, na kabhi hoga. I'm sure aisa hoga if they continue with this kind of governance and these kind of policies. And I'm very happy that the people have voted for development, have voted for Modi ji's good governance, have voted for Maharashtra's prosperity.
And, the fact is that Mr. Devendra Fadnavis was the face of the BJP in Maharashtra in these elections. Of course, this was a united Mahayuti which went in for this election. How do you look at the role of Mr. Devendra Fadnavis and his campaigning?
He has worked hard for this mission. He has given it all for this mission. And I'm happy that all his people stuck to him in good times, bad times, because of which this result is what we can see. And I think so, the mission of his life is serving Maharashtra and nation, and it will continue irrespective of the position or the post which he gets.
Yes, and we have seen the highs and lows. I mean, in 2014, he was the chief minister. Then he went on to become the deputy chief minister. There is a huge buzz around him again, whether, and particularly among the cadres who are saying that given the kind of strike rate that the BJP has, and given how it is the dominant player in this election and in this victory of Mahayuti, he should return on the chief minister's chair. What are your thoughts?
I think so. We all wish best for Maharashtra. Whatever best for Maharashtra should happen, and that decision will definitely be taken by the parliamentary board, by the party leaders, and everyone will follow their decision. And that would be the best for Maharashtra.
Okay, so you tell me, I mean, as someone who has been, spouse of the former chief minister and then the deputy chief minister, how has the performance of the BJP been, and what kind of efforts do you think the party put in these many years in Maharashtra?
I think so. Let's just compare our Lok Sabha results to our results today. The false narratives which they had put in, they have been washed off, and that is because of the work which the grassroots karyakarta of the party has done. They have gone every house and cleared so many doubts. The infra development which the Mahayuti has brought in, the transparent governance which has been set forth compared to how it was governed before. There are many such factors, including, as we discussed, Ladli Bahin, Ladki Bahin, and other policies and yojanas which were very beneficial, have been beneficial to women. So I think so all these put together, it's a win-win situation.
Okay, how has the last 12 hours been? I'm sure a lot of anxiety for you, and how do you look at the next 24 hours?
Yeah, this was the biggest anxiety regarding how the performance would come out, how the voting pattern would turn out to be. And now we are all relieved. I would sleep today. That's what I can say. I had sleepless nights since the last 3 nights. But now today is the day where we can have we have a sigh of relief. So I'm very happy. And regarding tomorrow, there is no pressure because it will be in the best of solutions for everyone, for everyone, whatever whatever will be decided.
Okay, now tell me, my final question to you. This is regarding this landslide victory. Did you anticipate this? And I'm sure you would have been aware of what are the talks which is happening in the inner circle. As the spouse of Devendra Fadnavis, what was the chatter like, in the sense that did this kind of victory, and was it really even in the back of mind that is this a possibility?
Possibilities can never be ruled out, but on the higher side, they did expect a 120, and the lower side, as we know, around 100. And this has gone definitely beyond expectations, and very happy about this phenomenal victory. It has shown a new roadmap to Maharashtra, a roadmap of development, a roadmap of good governance, a roadmap which will take Maharashtra to different levels in coming days.
All right. Amruta Fadnavis, a thought on your husband and his hard work?
I would just like to say that I'm proud of the way he worked all through these days. I'm proud of how the party Karyakartas worked through these days and joined him for his mission Maharashtra, which is accomplished today. I feel very happy, and I have no words to express my happiness.
And the fact is that Devendra Fadnavis is not known to be talking much. He's a man of few words. So what was his first reaction to this victory?
I can just say that he's happy, and he's meeting people, and he's enjoying his moment at this point of time.
All right. Congratulations, Amruta Fadnavis, and thank you for speaking to NDTV and sharing your thoughts.
Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.